What is your name?
My name is Katrina D. Bestante.
How old are you?
I am 29 years old,
What is your religion?
Christian.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you have son or daughter?
I have one daughter,
How old your daughter?
10 years old,
How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Do you have working experience in other countries?
No,
How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong
2
Kong?
years.
Where is your latest employer living in?
The peak,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,750 square feet.
How many family members are they?
One couple,
One couple. Elderly?
yeah,
How old are they?
60s.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning around 7 a.m. and then I prepare the breakfast of my employer, and then after that I start to clean the house,
Mm-hmm.
like vacuum, wiping some of the
Furnitures?
yeah, furnitures, and then laundry, ironing sometimes, and then I prepare the food of the dog, feeding the
Mm-hmm.
dog, and then I go out, I go out, I go walk for the dogs.
Okay, you go walk for the dog.
Yeah,
Okay. Do you go to market?
no,
Okay, no. Do you prepare the dinner?
yeah, I prepare the dinner
What time?
around 6 to 7.
6 to 7. Okay.
Yeah,
What time do you eat for the dinner?
around 8
Okay, so until what time you go to sleep?
until 11 p.m.
Okay, so where will you go on your holiday?
Church,
Church only.
yes,
What kind of household chores are you good for?
cleaning,
Cleaning and
cooking,
cooking, taking care pets.
taking care pets, and then
How
laundry.
about the kids? Are you willing to learn how to
Yeah,
take care kids?
yeah, I am willing to learn.
Okay, so what is your job in your country before you came to Hong
I
Kong?
am a full-time mom and housewife.
Okay, thank you.